with the brackets, you get an individual character. If you refer to name by itself, it refers to the address that where the memory is allocated. So there's a special type of variable that will store addresses, and it's called a pointer. And the way you make a pointer is with a asterisk. And we'll call this p name to say that it's going to be a pointer to name. And I'm going to assign it the value name. So if in memory, this is address 3000, if we don't know what it is, then p name will become equal to 3000. So p name will create another variable. Let's put it over here, p name. And let's say this is hexadecimal, just because it's easier. And p name is probably going to be 4 bytes long, and it's going to store the address 3000. And it may not be in this exact order, but it would store some. If it was left to right, it would store 0000 3000. So this is 4 bytes, 32 bits, and so that address 3000 will be stored in memory like that. Okay, so there's a thing with pointers that is very confusing for people that are learning pointers. And what it is when we say up here we're gonna make an array of characters that are 20 long, what you get is 20 bytes, 20 8-bit values, because a char, remember a char is 8 bits. Okay, so you get 20 8-bit memory locations. The thing that's very confusing, and that if you could wrap your head around this, is when you say char pointer, you don't get 8 bits. You don't allocate 8 bits of memory. You actually allocate 4 bytes, and the amount of memory is going to be dependent on the computer you're using. In this computer, I think because of the address space, we're going to get 4 bytes. 1 byte. Right? It's very important. It's not 1 byte. Now, when this pointer was created, we got these 4 bytes. When this variable was created, we got 20 bytes. When I assigned this to this, what got stored in there was that address and not the word Jacob. So now, if I did serial.print pname, it's still going to print out Jacob. And the reason why is because when we pass, what we're passing to this function is the address of where that is located in memory. We're not passing Jacob. JACOB is not being sent to this function. What's being sent to it is 3000.